Well, it's time for another project, and this is one that we've been needing to do basically since we got the coach, and it's some repair to this door for the generator. So it's not very easy to see unless you kind of look closely here, but this corner has been broken and it's cracked basically all the way across. I think it's maybe not completely broken here, but it's kind of loose and broken there. And then all the way over here, it's actually separated and you can see it kind of moving. So for the years that we've had Edna, I've always been a little worried at some point that this was going to fall off and end up on the road someplace and I'd need to replace this whole door. But it hasn't, and now I'm around to fixing it. I don't know the best way to fix it, but it looks like somebody has done some things in the past here with, maybe some, I don't know, two-part epoxy. This actually looks like cardboard, maybe, that was glued on here. When I pull it off, it's like, some kind of paper material that's stuck to it. And you can see they tried to fix it along here, but not very well. And this is kind of peeling off. It's some kind of hard plastic, probably epoxy or resin or something. But anyway, this is going to be the project, and so I'm going to need to clean all this up, get it ready to repair, and I'll talk about that as I get there. But my plan is to use a fiberglass repair kit. I got this at my local hardware store. Probably get it on Amazon. I'll put a link on it if I can find it on Amazon. I also got some acetone to make sure I clean up the surfaces really well. And this kit came with the kind of key things that I think I'll need for a fiberglass repair. Pretty simple instructions, but comes with a bottle of the fiberglass resin, some of the fiberglass, an activator, and a little mixing dish and things like that. So I think if I do a good job cleaning things up and use this fiberglass repair, I think fiberglass, if it bonds really well on the back, should give this good strength and keep it from cracking anymore. I'm okay having the hairline crack on the outside. I just don't want it to break off. So I think this will be a decent repair. If at some point I get it painted, well then maybe I'll have a professional kind of do something on the outside to help fill that crack along the outside. But the main thing I'm interested in is just making sure it doesn't continue to break and eventually fall off where I need to replace the whole door. So that's the plan, and we'll see how this project goes. All right, so we made some progress. I washed it and cleaned it up. I used a putty knife to try to break off some of the old stuff here. I can see actually some old kind of fiberglass material underneath this and in it. So somebody has done some kind of repair here in the past, although the crack goes along here and that hasn't been repaired. So I'm wondering if maybe they kind of built up this corner because it had broken off or something. But try not to touch that too much. I did try to rough this up, so I used a scraper to scrape off any loose pieces, and then I used my random orbit sander to rough it up with some 60 grit sandpaper on it. On the other side, so I washed this up. There's lots of dings and things in the paint, but you can see it's a pretty serious crack there. It looks like it's not actually broken here, although it's starting to, and then a pretty serious crack here. So I'm going to use some painter's tape or something to try to stabilize this on the outside and make sure that none of the resin comes through, but I want it to be as lined up as possible. I am going to try to get some of the resin down in the crack. This is pretty thin, and so I'm nervous trying to do too much on the backside here, although the crack is opened up, so I think with a brush I'll be able to kind of poke some of the resin in, and then I'll cover this with the fiberglass material afterward. But I think I've never done this before, so feel free to comment on my technique. But I'm going to wipe it all down with acetone, make sure there's no dust or oils or grease or anything on this. And then I think we'll go to the resin and fiberglass piece. Well, I don't know if this is what it's supposed to look like, but I think it looks pretty good. So we put 2 to 3 layers of the fiberglass material all along here. We just finished painting on the resin. I just used a cheap paintbrush and kind of put on some of the resin, put in a layer of the fiberglass, kind of poked it in, put more resin over the top. We had taped things here, and so this feels nice and lined up. So I think everything is held in place pretty well. But I don't know, I think it looks pretty good. We'll see how it hardens. It's going to take apparently 2 hours for this to cure, and then we'll be able to take the paint off and kind of see what it looks like. We might need to do a little more cleanup. I don't feel too bad about it because it's on the back side, and so it won't really be very obvious. I may end up putting some paint on it or something, but I think actually once it's cured, it'll probably look okay. So let's wait a little bit and see how it turns out. Well, it's been a couple of hours, and this is fully cured, so it's nice and hard now. And it turned out, I think, really nice. So, I mean, the color is not great, but it's on the inside of the door. So I think I'm okay. I probably am not going to try to paint this or make it look better necessarily, but it is super solid. So this used to be very flimsy and, feeling like it was going to break off. Now the whole door flexes when I try to move that. As far as the outside, so you can still see the line from the crack here, but we got it pretty well lined up. There's a little bit of a lip here, but overall feels pretty good, and it's very solid. So not worried about it falling off anymore. I think eventually, if we really wanted this to be nice, we'd probably need to get a whole new door. I don't know if it's worth trying to fix this one, but I feel good about it holding together for as long as we need it to, and I think it was a great fix overall.